If you want to make a GoDaddy WordPress website, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new WordPress site inside GoDaddy and get it ready to build on. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can manage all of your products and services. This is where everything begins, so take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct account that has your hosting plan. Next, look for the My Products section and click on it. This area shows the domains, hosting, and other services connected to your account. Since we're creating a WordPress website, we need to work from the hosting section. Now click on Web Hosting. This will open the hosting plan that's connected to your account. If you have more than one product, make sure you choose the correct hosting package for the website you want to build. After that, click Manage. This takes you into the hosting control area where you can start setting up your website. From here, GoDaddy gives you different setup options depending on how you want to launch your site. On the next screen, choose Create a New Site. This is the option you want if you're starting from scratch and building a brand new WordPress website. GoDaddy will then begin preparing the hosting environment for your new site. In the next step, GoDaddy will automatically select the best data center location based on your location. This helps improve speed and performance for your website visitors. In most cases, you can just let GoDaddy choose the recommended data center since it is already optimized for your region. After that, you'll be asked what kind of website you want to create. Select Create a WordPress website. This tells GoDaddy that you want to use WordPress as the platform for your site, which is one of the most popular and flexible website builders available. Now, you'll need to choose a WordPress username. This is an important step because it will be used for logging into your WordPress admin dashboard later. Try to choose a username you can remember and make sure it's something secure and appropriate for your website management. Once your username is set, click Create My Site. GoDaddy will now start building your WordPress website automatically. This may take a few moments while the system installs WordPress, sets up your hosting, and prepares your site dashboard. When the process is finished, your site will be ready. At that point, you can start customizing your WordPress website, adding pages, changing the theme, and creating content for your visitors. From here, you're ready to move into the fun part of building your website. So that's how to make a GoDaddy WordPress website from start to finish. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and GoDaddy makes it pretty easy to get your WordPress site up and running quickly. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.